Hey guys, Tool Cruise here, checking in with...
Des.
You seem pretty excited, Toon-chan.
Yes,
Why are you excited?
I want to show everyone my new home.
Our new home.
Yes.
Yes, so today we're doing our apartment tour. We just moved here to Vietnam, to Da Nang, Vietnam, and we've been looking for a place to stay. We were debating, should we stay in a house? Should we stay in an apartment? And for our first place, we decided to stay in an apartment, and we're gonna do our full apartment tour. All right,
Let's go.
let's go. So while we're over here, we might as well start at the entrance. I'm actually pretty excited about this. You can see we've got our cycling shoes ready to go here. And the reason I'm excited about this is because we've got a beautiful closet here for our shoes. So we've got our walking shoes, we've got our sandals, and we've got plenty of storage space for our shoes. We've also got our umbrellas here. In case it rains, we've got a small pocket one, a large one, and there's a bunch of mirrors in this apartment. So we're actually staying in a pretty modern, pretty nice apartment. So we'll talk about all the prices and everything at the end of the video in case you're interested in that. So when you walk in the door, this is the view that you're gonna get. We got the bedroom over here. This is the main master bedroom. We've got the living room, sort of dining area, and we've moved our dining table here. We turned it into our work table, so we rotate between dining here and working here. And we've got a kitchen over here. We've got a spare bedroom, which is turning into the bike room over here. And we've got a bathroom over here. So let's start over here, actually. We're pretty excited. We've got our own washing machine. This is actually a washing and dryer. So a lot of things in here were fully stocked. We did buy some extra stuff as well, so I'll talk about that as well. We've got a bathtub in here with the shower. We haven't used this yet, but we actually used it to wash our bikes. So we've got a decent large space here to wash our bikes. And yeah, we don't take baths too often, but it'll be nice to be able to take one in case we want one. And we have a spare bathroom in case we need it. We've got some of our luggage stored here on top of the washing machine for now. That's one thing that we are kind of missing here. We wish we had a little bit more storage space for like boxes and stuff like that. And yeah, we got a sink here, a toilet here, some cleaning supplies. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's got a cool sliding door, which is pretty nice. Just slides like that. I love the sliding doors. And this is actually the hot water heater, so if you want to use the hot water, you got to turn that on. Let's go on to Toon-chan's favorite spot, the kitchen. Toon's kitchen.
Yes.
Yes. Please introduce the kitchen.
Okay. From here,
From here,
we have denji.
denji microwave.
Yeah. Okay.
So the microwave came stocked. The refrigerator came stocked. We bought this blender. We're actually very excited about this. This was, I think, over $100 or so. I told Toon-chan we got to invest in a good blender. She was like, it's too expensive at first, but yeah, you won't regret buying a nice blender. And so now we can make our smoothies, mango smoothies, protein smoothies. It's been pretty useful so far. And we've got a lot of storage space. What kind of stuff do we have in here?
We have rice.
We have some
noodle, candy, or some snack.
Some snacks, some chips. We got some dried fruits. We got some chips for Toon-chan. These are actually some souvenirs. We're going to be bringing these home to Toon-chan's hometown pretty soon. Some instant ramen. So this is stuff that lasts a while. We're storing that in here. We've also got our pots and pans. A lot of these did come stock, but we did buy a few extra as well. So we haven't done too much cooking yet. We just moved in here. We're getting settled with everything. Next, let's show the refrigerator. So this is a Samsung refrigerator, a pretty nice big one actually. And let's see what we got inside. So we've actually got a lot of drinks right now. We don't have much cooking equipment yet. And of course, we've got our sports drink of choice, Pocari Sweat. Unfortunately, they don't really sell it in too big of sizes here. This is a Japanese brand. and it's a great sports drink. They don't have too many great sports drinks here from what I've seen in Vietnam so far. So this is 350 milliliters. We've been going to a bunch of different stores trying to find big ones. We did find a few 500 milliliter ones, but we could only find 3. So if you have a suggestion and where we can buy some larger Pocari Sweat, please let us know. We're also trying this new sports drink. This is Revive. This is carbonated though. So they have, I think, 2 flavors. That's the original one. This is the new flavor in a smaller size. And we've got some jellies for our rides. These are a nice cheap way to get some calories while you ride and digest them pretty quickly. We've got some Snickers for after our ride. And we've got some yogurt in here, some mangoes. We're actually mixing some sports drink in here. We got some Pocari Sweat powder, so we're mixing it in this large container for right now. We'll try and find a better way to do that here in the future. We've got an induction stove here, so we got 2 burners that we can use. We got some bread, some used cans, sweet potato. I love my sweet potato. This is our water. This is how we're getting water. We're using Takbik. This is 18.9 liters. And we're going through these pretty fast, over 1 a week, I think. And yeah, we got lots of storage space up here. We invested in some nice glass containers here to store our food. And yeah, we got some protein for recovery after our rides. We've got some oats. That's my food of choice. What else do we got in here? I'm working on getting my tea collection going. Right now we're starting with some Vin tea. I do want to branch out and try some other stuff. I did buy these online. This is the Pocari Sweat bags. These are only for like 200 milliliters though, so you have to use this whole box in 5 separate packs to get 1 liter. It's kind of unfortunate. I wish they had a larger powder. We're gonna have to look into different sports drinks options here. So this is our drink section. And yeah, that's our sink here. This is our kitchen. We've got a drying rack here. It does the job. I think Tunchan's pretty excited for the kitchen to start cooking again. Yep. What did you forget?
We bought a new.
Oh yeah, we bought an oven.
Yeah.
We haven't used it yet. Yeah, we've been just trying to get everything prepared, ready to go. We're actually going to Tunchan's hometown from tomorrow, so we gotta clean up everything, get ready to go. But once we come back, we're ready to start living here full time. So yeah, we're still moving in, getting everything settled, and pretty excited for the oven. Tunchan can cook some pretty good pumpkin pound cake. So I'm pretty excited.
For you.
Yes, please. Okay, let's continue. So leaving the kitchen area, this is originally where the dining table was. We moved it over here. I think we're gonna put some bikes here. We're gonna get maybe a stand so we can store the bikes here. And we like having the table here. In the nice lighting, we can do our work. We've got our work laptops here. Some of you guys might recognize this is my old Lenovo Yoga. This crashed on us recently. We just got it repaired. They did an okay job on the repair. It's starting to work again. So this computer has been revived, but when this one completely crashed the other day, we had to go out and buy a new computer. So it's been an expensive month. We've had to buy some new stuff, but thankfully we've got some working computers. We've got a backup computer now. And I love my Lenovo computers. I've used them for a while. We use our iPads to edit the videos, but for all our other work, we have to use some main computers. So that's our work area. This is where we store our bike stuff when we go out on our rides. We put our helmets here, our sunglasses. And we've got a nice little teacup set here, some artwork. All that stuff came fully stocked, the vase here. And this is the entertainment area, so we can sit on the nice sofa. Tunchan really loves this sofa. That's her favorite place to sit. Feels good?
Yeah.
Yes. We haven't watched the TV very much yet. And we've got our folding bikes here. We use these to do all of our shopping. So we've got some bags on here. The front bag is our main grocery bag. We love that bag. It is so good for carrying a bunch of stuff. And I haven't mentioned this yet, but check out the view. So it's a little bit loud out here at times. There's construction going on randomly, so you might hear some construction sounds. We're looking south right now, So straight ahead, those are the Marble Mountains. This is the river here to the main city on the west. And that's where the sunset is, so we don't get any super bright sunlight here. It doesn't get too hot in this direction. And we've got the ocean right over here. So pretty great, minus all the random sounds. When you close the doors, you don't hear it too loud though, so it's not as bad as I was expecting it to be. But sometimes the construction, like they're cutting some metal over there, that can get a little loud. And the weather, it's been okay. The visibility is sometimes really great and other times it's not that great, but it's better than a lot of other Vietnamese cities, so we're pretty happy with that so far. And next, let's move on to the bike room. So this is my favorite room because it has our bikes in here and it's got the best view. So I don't know why they set this place up like this. So this isn't the master bedroom, but this is actually a corner apartment, so we've got an awesome view of the city here. So if you are our guest and you stay here, if you're one of our lucky friends to come visit us, we've got a nice bed here. You can sit in the bed and you can get the same view that we just looked at earlier, or you can get the nice sunset view over the Dragon Bridge in the city. So oh man, it is smoking hot right here. We usually keep these blinds closed. The sunlight here can get pretty strong midday, but this is the main Dragon Bridge. Let's see, can we zoom in? We're on the iPhone right now, so the zoom might not be the best, but you can see that's the Dragon Bridge. They've got the fireworks show, or they got the fire breathing show every weekend. So some of her Vietnamese friends came here the other day. We went to go watch that, and yeah, we can just walk right over there. So we decided to live here in the center of the city where the action is. We've got easy access to the city, easy access to biking. And we've got my road bike here, Ichigo-chan. We've got Toon-chan's road bike here, Mochi-chan. Our bike boxes, that's why I said we kind of wish we had an extra sort of storage room for the cardboard boxes and all that stuff. We've got our cycling kits over here. So some of them are still in the wash, but yeah, we're keeping our cycling stuff here until maybe a guest comes. We'll have to cram the bikes in our room while they're here, but that should be okay. Plenty of storage space for smaller items. And, oh yeah, our last room, bedroom. Here we go. So yeah, all the rooms, we get a nice view. And this is the main master bedroom. We've got the view towards the south here, towards the Marble Mountains. And another thing that's nice in here is we've got an actual work desk, so we can separate our work if we need to. One of us can work in the living room, one of us can work here in this desk. We did just buy this lamp. We went to the Mega Market. We wanted to get a lamp here, so that was another small little purchase we had to make. But the desk, the chairs, the cabinets, everything here came with the apartment. We've got another closet here for storing our clothes. We're not going to open that right now. And we've got our own private bathroom. This is our first apartment where we had more than one bathroom. So we're moving up in the world. Pretty exciting. This one's a little simpler than the other one. We've got the main sink here, and we've got a shower in here. So this one's just a shower, not a bathtub. So you're pretty happy with the new apartment, Toon-chan?
Yes.
Have you ever lived in this nice of an apartment before?
No.
No, me neither. Yeah, we're moving up a class in society, I guess. But that's the nice thing about living here in Vietnam. The living costs are a lot cheaper. So next, let's go into costs. So in total, this place is about 50 to 60 square meters. It's pretty large. We got 2 bedrooms, a living room area, a kitchen area, 2 bathrooms. And we're also pretty high up here. You can see we're in a tall apartment building. So normally a place like this in Japan would cost, I don't even want to imagine how much this would cost in Japan, like easily over $1,000 depending on where you are. If you're close in the city, this would probably be like more like $2,000 in Japan. So we're close to the city here in Da Nang, and this apartment in total is about 13 million Vietnamese dong, so a bit over 500 US dollars, about 550. We also have to pay for utilities and stuff like that. We haven't gotten our first bill yet, but I imagine that's going to be less than $100 with electricity and water and stuff like that. It shouldn't be too bad. And normally, we wouldn't rent such an expensive place. This is more expensive than our apartment in Japan. Our apartment in Japan was about $450, so this one's about $550. It's about $100 more expensive than when we were in Japan. And originally, the plan was to come here and to reduce our living costs, to lower our living costs, but we decided to spoil ourselves for our first few months here. This is only a temporary contract, so if we really like it, we may end up staying, but I think we also want to try living in a house in the future. So we're going to start out here nice, and in the future, we're going to maybe try and rent a house with some more space, because I have a feeling our number of bicycles is going to increase in the future. So for now, this is our new home. We're pretty excited. Okay guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you have any questions about our new place, about life in Vietnam, leave them down in the comments, and I'll try and answer them in the comments or in a future video. We gotta hurry up and get going here. We gotta go out for today's ride, start packing, and tomorrow we're heading to Tuan Chan's hometown.
Yeah.
We're gonna be on the train for 12 hours.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a fun day. So a big thank you to all of our awesome supporters over on Patreon. Thanks to your guys' support, we're able to continue filming videos like this on our channel. If you have any requests for future video topics, let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next time here on Tubo Cruise.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.